This video I will explain budgeting tips for students or first time earners. A budget is a simple plan for how you will use your money. Budget helps you to know how much money you have, how much money you spend, and how much money you can save. You can think of budget is like a map for your money, so you don't get lost or run out of money before the month ends. Why budgeting is important for students or first time earners? When you are a student or someone who just started earning, money is usually limited. Without a plan, it is very easy to spend too much on things like food, outings, or shopping. A budget helps you to avoid running out of money too soon, pay for important needs first, save for future goals like emergencies, travel, or gadgets, reduce stress about money. Now we will see budgeting tips for beginners. Know your income. Your income is the money you receive every month. For students, it might be an allowance or a part time job pay. For first time earners, it is your salary after deduction. Always start by writing down how much money you actually get. Track your expenses. Expenses are the things you spend money on. For example, rent, food, transportation, bill, and entertainment. Write down every expense for a month. This helps you to see where your money is going. You have to separate needs and wants. Needs are essential, like food, rent, transport, and basic bills. Wants are extras, like eating at restaurant, new clothes, or gadgets. You have to spend on need first before you spend on wants. You can use 50-30-20 rule. This is a simple budgeting method. 50% of your income goes to the needs, like rent, food, bills. 30% of the income goes to wants, like entertainment, hobbies, or shopping. 20% of your income goes to saving, like emergency fund or future goals. Now we will see smart money habits. Save before you spend. As soon as you get your money, set aside a portion for savings. This is called paying yourself first. Even a small amount saved regularly can grow into a good amount over the time. Avoid debt. Try not to spend more than you earn. Using credit cards or borrowing without planning can trap you into debt. If you do use credit, make sure you can pay it back quickly. Tools and planning. You can use budgeting tools. You can use notebook, spreadsheet, or free apps to manage your budget. Tools help you to stay organized and disciplined. You have to plan for emergencies. Life can be unpredictable. Build a small emergency fund to cover unexpected costs like medical bills or urgent travel. Here you can see the monthly budget template which you can use. You can download this template from description of this video. Here you have to enter your total income. For needs, 50% is allocated. For wants, 30% is allocated. For saving, 20% is allocated. And whatever amount you are spending for needs, enter here. And whatever amount you are spending for wants, enter here. And whatever amount you are saving, you can enter here. At the month end, you can see the total here. And here actual spend will be calculated automatically and it will be entered. Here you can see the difference. The difference is between actual amount planned minus actual amount spent. Final thoughts. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself too much. It is about making smarter choices so that you can enjoy your life without money stress. If you start managing your money early as a student or first time earner, it becomes a lifelong habit that will always help you.